Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been sort of previewing this fantastic plugin called Divi Image Hover Effects, and they've got over, I think it's 250 of these hover effects that you get when you download it. And right now they've got a deal on. It's reduced from $50 to $15. I bought it and I'm really impressed with it, and I will be using it a lot. But we've also been doing a series based on this plugin of building these things from scratch, just using the Divi theme. And we've created quite a lot of them here. And I've had a few personal messages asking where can they download the files. Well, at the moment these are just files that I've built on my local machine here, so they're not available for download. And they're pretty easy to build if you follow along with the various videos and have a look at the playlist down below. But I guess I'm happy to give them away if anybody wants them. What I'll do is, if I get enough comments, leave a comment down below this video. If I get 100 or so or more comments, I'll build a web page where you can demo these and download the actual JSON files and use them yourselves if you want to. Like I say, I've got no real use for them. They're just sort of demos that I've done. But like I say, if there's enough interest, I'm happy to give them away. You're welcome to use them. I can't remember what ones we've done. We've done quite a few, obviously. We've got image swap ones down the bottom here. And we've also got some, oh yeah, text spin ones. It's funny, I do so many of these, I kind of forget which ones I've done. Oh yeah, we've got kind of flips, image to buttons, image to text. Like I say, we've done quite a few, and I'll be doing more and more because I enjoy doing these and they're pretty useful. But like I say, if you can't be bothered to make them yourselves and watch the videos, get the plugin because it's really good. But like I say, if I get enough interest, just leave a comment below saying something like, I want to download these, or I'd like to get these for free, anything, so I know what you're talking about. What I'll do is I'll put up a web page where you can download them. Okay guys, short and sweet video. I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you're interested, like I say, leave a comment below. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.